To assemble the Vevor folding cart, pull open the body of the cart and push down in the center. Then flip it upside down. The front wheels have posts with a circular shape which slide into the front circular sockets. Push down to lock them in place. The back wheels have square posts with spring-loaded pins. Push down on the pin to slide in the back wheel. Push in the wheel to lock the pin in the retaining hole. The handle has two spring-loaded pins that need to be pushed in to insert the handle. Push down on the handle to lock the pins in the retaining holes. The handle is adjustable.